Hi everyone. In one of the earlier videos posted on this channel, there was a comment by one of you to make a video on how to become a researcher. Given the gravity of this question, I took some time to prepare the content for this video. After gathering info from a lot of sources, I am presenting you this video on how to become a researcher, along with the qualities that a good researcher should possess. The first and foremost thing you should know that what topic you find interesting and puzzling. That is the curiosity. But curiosity isn't enough. You should also have good basics. And once you have good basics, we come to the next step. That whether the topic you are interested in, it is profitable or not. Whether research papers can be published in it or you can file patents in it. So, is it profitable or not? Then comes the discussing part. So, talk to the people already in that field. It can be the ones who have been working in that area for an year or even those who have spent decades. So, in this way, you will get their point of view, which might give you an insight about how your life would be once you start working in that field. In order to become a good researcher, you should possess the qualities like loving the discipline that you are opting. If you are loving the domain which you are pursuing or you are going to pursue, then you would not feel burdened to do work. You would not be feeling lazy to go to work. The next thing is that you should have the ability to ask good questions. But you won't be arriving at this at the earlier stages. After few years, maybe you will come to this part. You should have the courage to dive into the areas that you have never been into before. A good researcher should also have the motivation to solve problems and at the same time possess the perseverance to stick into the field for a long time. He or she should also be interested in how the things or the technology works and how it can be made better. Now we come to the last point. A good researcher should be pessimistic and perfectionist at the same time. Now, why pessimistic? See, the researcher should find out the weaknesses or the shortcomings in the technology or the model they come up with. And perfectionist, so as to focus on how to make that particular technology better and stronger. This applies for publishing novel research papers as well. In my view, these are the points which answer the question how to become a researcher or what qualities should a researcher possess. So comrades, do tell me down in the comment section below which points you liked and which points you disagreed with. You can also add a few points which you think I might have missed. Thank you for watching. Please share and keep supporting.